Welcome to Nasher Miles. In this tutorial, we will show you how to reset the number lock for your Nasher Miles bag. When you receive the bag on delivery, the number lock will be set at any random number and you won't be able to open it. For safety reasons, we have kept the default code as either 000 or 999. You can try with 000 and open it, or try 999 and open the lock. Once you open the lock, you can change the code as per your choice of numbers. Locate a small red button on the lock and push it inside with the help of a tip of a pen or a similar sharp object. Don't push it too hard. Then move the numbers and set the number of your choice. For example, I have set it to 465. Once the number is set, push the button and that number will be your new passcode for the bag. Keep a number that will be easy to remember and change it when your packing is done so others cannot open your bag. Your Nasher Miles bag is ready for travel.